always wanted to take your interior design to the next level and make your home smell like $1,000,000 listing, but don't know where to start? Today, I'll teach you how to transform your space with simple hacks that will make your home smell like it's straight out of a luxury real estate magazine. I think we can all agree that walking into a beautifully scented home can instantly lift our mood and make us feel like we're living the luxury lifestyle. But let's be real, achieving that perfect blend of fragrances can be a daunting task. It's all about creating an ambiance that makes you and your guests feel welcome and relaxed. Imagine coming home to a space that feels like a spa retreat. It's the ultimate goal, right? We've all been there though. We've tried to create that perfect scent, only to end up with a headache and a bunch of wasted money. I mean, who hasn't accidentally combined two fragrances that were meant to be lovely but ended up smelling like a chemical disaster? Am I right? So, today I'm excited to share my top tips and tricks for making your home smell like $1,000,000 listing without breaking the bank or causing any olfactory overload. Instead of high-quality candles, we'll use essential oils to create luxurious room sprays that act as natural air fresheners. Let's dive into the world of luxury scents and explore how you can recreate that luxurious ambiance in your own home. Let's start with the basics. High-quality candles are nice, but there are very few brands that are transparent about their exact ingredients. Have you ever wondered what mysterious chemicals are hiding behind the word fragrance on a candle label? I definitely have. Now, those cheap candles from the dollar store might be tempting, but they're not going to give you the luxurious scent you're looking for, and they just might have a negative impact on your health. No one needs that particular foolishness. That's why we're going to make our own room sprays using essential oils today. This is a great option because you can create custom scents that help to boost your home's ambiance in addition to boosting your mood. It's a 2-for-1. Essential oils are little bottles of magic that can be used in a variety of ways. Diffusers, sprays, even homemade cleaning products. Just be sure to do your research and choose high-quality oils that are safe for use in your home. And remember, a little goes a long way. You don't want to overpower your space with too much of a good thing. Hey everyone, it's hard out here in these YouTube streets for tiny channels. Help us beat the algorithm by liking this video. Consider it your good deed of the day. Also, if you love high heels but hate the pain, check the link in the description for 20% off Vivian Leigh insoles. They're in every pair of heels I own. Now on with the show. Now, let's get into these room sprays. Here are a few options that elevate your interior design and give it the feel of luxury real estate, while acting as natural air fresheners. You're welcome. Imagine walking into a mansion straight out of $1,000,000 listing. Think sweeping marble floors, glass walls, and infinity pools. But instead of just admiring the views, you're captivated by an unforgettable scent, the kind that whispers luxury and elegance. Now you can capture that same vibe in your home without the multi-million-dollar price tag. With these DIY room sprays, your space will smell like a luxury listing that even Josh Altman would fight over. Here's how to do it. How to make your $1,000,000 room sprays. For each spray, you'll need 70% distilled water, 20% witch hazel or vodka. Both help the scent last longer in the air. 10% essential oils. This is where the magic happens. Simply mix the ingredients into a spray bottle, give it a good shake, and spritz away. Now, let's dive into the 3 luxurious blends that will have your home smelling like it's ready for a selling sunset tour. 1. Penthouse Breeze. Channel the crisp air of a sky-high penthouse with a refreshing blend that's bold, vibrant, and utterly sophisticated. 70 milliliters distilled water, 20 milliliters witch hazel or vodka, 10 milliliters essential oils. 1 milliliter equals about 20 drops. 4 milliliters of grapefruit, essential oil. 4 milliliters of bergamot, essential oil. 2 milliliters of peppermint essential oil. Spritz this around and imagine yourself lounging in a chic penthouse, sipping a cocktail while gazing out at the city lights. Spa Retreat Estate. Turn your home into the ultimate spa retreat without the waiting list. This calming mix will transport you to a world of tranquility, making it feel like you're surrounded by waterfalls and hot stone massages. 70 milliliters of distilled water, 20 milliliters of witch hazel or vodka, and 10 milliliters of essential oils. 4 milliliters of lavender essential oil, 3 milliliters of ylang ylang essential oil, and 3 milliliters of mandarin essential oil. Give your space a spritz and let the calming vibes wash over you. Perfect for unwinding after a long day or binge-watching Selling Sunset. Champagne Dreams. What's more luxurious than the scent of champagne, but without the bubbles? This elegant floral mix is light, decadent, and just a little indulgent, like your very own private soiree. 70 milliliters of distilled water, 20 milliliters of witch hazel or vodka, and 10 milliliters of essential oils. 4 milliliters of jasmine essential oil, 4 milliliters of magnolia essential oil, and 2 milliliters of white spruce essential oil. Spritz this dreamy blend and suddenly you'll be in a luxury lounge sipping champagne under a crystal chandelier. Cheers to that. Of course, the key to creating $1 million scent is layering. You don't want to just rely on one candle or diffuser. You want to create a holistic experience that envelops your entire space. So don't be afraid to experiment and try out different combinations. And remember, it's all about balance. You don't want to overpower your space with too many fragrances. One of my favorite scent combinations is lavender, lemon clove, and eucalyptus. It's so fresh and calming, and it's perfect for a bedroom or bathroom. Another great one is orange lemon balm and rosemary. It's bright and uplifting, and it's great for a kitchen or living room. And of course, there's the classic combination of vanilla, frankincense, myrrh, and tonka bean. It's warm and inviting. It has that comforting caramel scent, making it perfect for a cozy den or family room. And speaking of luxury spas, I'm excited to share my ultimate scent combination with you. It's a game changer, and it's so easy to replicate in your own home. Are you ready for it? It's, drumroll please, jasmine, neroli, and a hint of citrus. Yes, it's a total showstopper, and it's perfect for any room in your home. You know, I think what I love most about creating a luxurious scent experience is the impact it can have on our daily lives. It's not just about making our homes smell nice, it's about creating a sense of calm and relaxation that can elevate our entire mood. And let's be real, who doesn't need a little more of that in their life? Now that you've learned the basics of making your home smell like $1 million listing, take your home fragrance game to the next level by watching this video. You'll love it if you enjoy fresh citrus aromas in your home. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more natural home fragrance tips and tricks. Trust me, you won't regret it. See you next time.